People stutter only when they're nervous.
People that stammer are just self-conscious and shy.
Imitating a stutter causes a stutter.
These are probably some of the common myths you may have heard around stuttering.
While this might seem anecdotally true, it's found to be completely untrue and completely baseless.
A lot of stigma around stuttering, especially in India, which makes the problem harder and more difficult to tackle.
It's the prevalent unawareness that heightens the shame around it and reduces its social acceptance.
It is in essence speech characterized by frequent repetition and hesitation, which results in the disruption of the rhythmic flow of speech.
There are counseling that have proven successful for helping speakers reduce the number of disfluencies in their speech.
The famous novelist Lewis Carroll, who wrote Alice's Adventures in the Wonderland, had a stutter, and he wrote his stories to escape from his lifelong condition.
And actress Marilyn Monroe, she was somebody that was known to have a stammer in her childhood, and she actually developed the throaty voice to overcome that, and it became her trademark.
So singer Ed Sheeran stuttered, and only when he discovered rap music was he able to overcome this disfluency.
The President of the United States, Joe Biden, has a stutter and has often publicly addressed the issue and discrimination he's faced because of this affliction.
If you stammer, you can make up your mind to help yourself.
So there are many people known as transfluencers that have experimented, tried, failed, and finally conquered stammering. And these are people at TISA that are always there to help you.
TISA offers many of these services freely, and their goal is to help individuals focus on their full potential and on life itself rather than speech alone.
Many have done so. Connect with the Indian Stammering Association.
At times it may seem that you're fighting a losing battle, but no. You can reverse the trend. You can refocus, recalibrate, and reconnect with those who have helped themselves. With a little courage, you can easily succeed, especially if you begin today.
Hi, I'm Shivang Menon, the youngest transfluencer and the online event manager of the Indian Stammering Association. I have too had a little brush with stammering at a young age, but have since overcome it. I can now speak as effortlessly as I can play the piano. I figured that I would have to be as stubborn as my stammer if I were to get over it. Every time I was down and out, I remembered I have to go for it again. Connecting and growing with people with the same experiences and focusing on life itself rather than speech alone was some of the things that helped motivate me to persevere. So, do check out the Indian Stammering Association's website. And if you stammer too, do get in touch with us.